Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. It's been a while since I have recommended anything because I was so busy watching movies and shows and I was also busy with some work. But I am back with a bunch of recommendations and I promise that I'm going to sort you out for the week. I have watched a Malayalam film. A director who everyone has been asking me to, start watching is Khalid Rahman, and I finally watched his movie called Love, which is streaming on Netflix, and I'm very excited to talk about it because I have a lot to say. So the movie is starring Shine Tom Chacko. I think I have watched so much of his content in the last 1 month that it seems like I'm honestly obsessed with him. I sure like him, but I think I've had an overdose of his films now. I am like every second movie that I watch, he is in it. So yeah, Love is starring him, and it's also Rajisha Vijayan who is playing his wife in the movie. The movie has a very interesting take. It's about this toxic couple who live in a house and they're not getting along with each other. The wife is now pregnant, but they're still not having a good time, and they get into this really bad fight. And the director has shown that fight so well. It's right in the start of the film. It's entirely slow mo, so it's pretty cinematic in that way, and I really liked it. And while they're having a fight, you something extremely unexpected happens that you did not think would happen in the first 5 minutes, which is also I really liked about the film because they got directly to the point, and the movie is like 2 hours, I guess. And Shine Tom Chacko accidentally kills his wife, and I was like, "What the hell happened?" And then he obviously like takes the wife and hides her in the washroom. That's when he's getting calls from the wife's father just to check up on him and see what's happening. And two of his friends come over through the film, and like they are also in this toxic relationship, but he doesn't tell his friends that he has done something like that, and both of them are like trying to complain about their partners' wives, and like what is happening with them. And one is going through cheating. Both of them are actually going through cheating scandals, and Shine Tom Chacko's wife is lying dead inside, but he's so calm talking to his friends and giving them advice on how to make their relationship so good while he's going through one of the worst situations in his lives. So it's a very interesting dynamic about those situations. And in the end, his father comes in and talks to Shine Tom Chacko, and he tells Shine Tom Chacko that even if you're fighting with my daughter, you have no right to hit her. Slaps him, leaves. It was a very cut to cut scene, but I really liked that it was so impactful. And someone is standing up for their daughter, women in general, something that our country kind of lacks. And it's very interesting. I really like how the entire film is based in a house with like 4 characters, but all 4 characters have so much going on in their life, but it's shown so smoothly. I think the direction is great, very unique, not something I've seen before. After that, I think the last half an hour, there is a twist that I did not expect. I think that the movie is shown from another perspective, or what could have happened. It was a bit weird where the wife, like in this switch, the wife just enters the house, and the entire scenario that happens, the fight and everything, it still does happen, but in a very different perspective. And the wife now kills Shine Tom Chacko, puts him in the car and takes him to the cops and tells the cops that I killed him. So I think there are 2 perspectives in the film. One is the perspective of the husband that we are shown full blown, and one is the perspective of the wife that we are shown for half an hour. It was a pretty weird ending. I didn't understand why he did that. Or is it like an open ending and he wanted us to believe like take whatever you want out of this film? It is something that I was a bit confused with. It is my first Khalid Rahman film, so I think it was a bit too much to get into his genre and try to understand what he's trying to show. However, it's a very well made film. The music, the acting, the cinematography, the editing, the time, the script, everything was good, but for me, the end could be a little different in some way. Or I don't know. Or what do you think about the end of Love? What is your perspective about the film? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for the recommendation. I did definitely like it. Yeah, the ending was a bit not what I expected it to be. Please do tell me like your ending perspectives. It will be really helpful and nice. And thank you so much for recommending me this movie. I will see you with another recommendation very, very soon.